Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a really quick, easy recipe. This one, it's a hot day here, about 35 degrees C, and I don't handle the heat well. Let's make a chicken Greek salad, alright? You need all those ingredients to make up your dressing, alright? Take note, but I'm not going to do that. It's too much effort. I'm not feeling the best today. My MS is really playing up. I want to make a real quick, easy recipe, so I'm just going to use that store-bought Greek dressing. Use the Greek dressing that you like, by the brand that you like. This one, it's one that Mrs. KP and I like. That's all you need to know about that. Right, glass bowl. It doesn't have to be glass. You can use wood if you want. It doesn't matter. Right, bit of iceberg lettuce, washed, torn into nice big chunks, and I'm going to put in some little cubed cucumber that goes straight in, and that came out of the father-in-law's garden. Absolutely beautiful. Deseeded that as well. Some beautiful little cherry tomatoes. I've just quartered those. Right, no real rocket science for this one. This is so easy to do. Give all that a bit of a stir, just like this. And I thought, look, I'm just going to film this and show what I do on a regular night without going to a lot of effort. A little bit of dressing down, give that a bit of a toss through, just like that. And I'm just showing you that you can create anything out of nothing sometimes. Alright, make sure you get the lettuce out of the bowl onto the bench, otherwise you are not doing it right. Now, I dress my salad as I go. I'll add a little bit, give it a bit of a toss, and just keep an eye on it and see where I'm sort of happy with how much dressing is on there. And that iceberg lettuce can actually take up quite a bit of dressing. Alright, we've done that. Now, I've bought a roast chicken from the supermarket, my barbecue chooks. Just shredded the meat off the carcass. We'll get 2 meals out of this really easily. So I'm just going to make a Greek salad tonight using part of that chicken. I'd give it all a bit of a stir again. That dressing will coat the chicken as well. And this is probably one of the best tasting accidents that I've ever done. We didn't know what we were going to do for dinner, and I just said to Mrs. KP, go buy barbecue chook. I've got lots of veggies in the refrigerator. Alright, we're going to start layering our salad up. Make sure we get that chicken and lettuce combination just right with a few little bits of tomato. Now, Greek salad isn't Greek salad without a little bit of finely sliced red onion, right? Little diced red onion, as much or little as you like. And I'm going to put some sliced black olives and some pitted Kalamata olives on there as well. I love my Kalamata olives. And all we're going to do, some cubed feta. You can buy it cubed, you can cut it up yourself out of a block. It's up to you. A little bit more dressing over the top, and there you go. You've got KP's chicken Greek salad. How easy was that to do? I'd love to see you try and make this on a hot day at home. No cooking required. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something pretty quick, pretty easy on a really hot day, just like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to my chicken Greek salad, and I will catch you next time. Bye.